Sir, what is your policy about the journalist killings that the Aquino government failed to act? The journalist killings.
Yung ako, alam mo, ganito yan eh. Kung papatayin ka talaga, papatayin ka. There is no way to know that the next victim would be a journalist. Sa karamihan, prangka-prangka, may nagawa yan. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga papatayin dyan kung wala kang ginawa eh. Yung mga expose, bad words against us, wala yan. Ako, I've been mayor. Pero karamihan yang may, alam mo na, nabigyan na, tapos especially if you want to take sides. Nabayaran mo na, tapos you play. Yan ang karamihan na mamatay. Or, tumatanggap na sa mga sugarol, tapos bira pa rin. You really want the truth? Yun ang truth.
Sir,
there is still corruption sa inyong side. Marami yan. Hindi lang ang binibigyan yan, hindi lang ang pulis. Binibigyan yan, yung sipala. Binibigyan yan, kukulikta harap-harapan, sabihin, kumilikta kami. Tapos sa kabila, babanatan mo. Yun. That is the best example of bakit namamatay itong mga journalist. Kaya ang prangka-prangka, yan sa iyo. Karamihan ganon. Kasi kung journalist ka lang na tama, walang gagalaw sa iyo. Especially if it is true. I mean, you cannot hide the truth, by the way. Pero yung gano'n na, ang example natin dito, taga rito ka man, yun si Pala. I do not demean his memory, but that he was a rotten son of a bitch.
But
He deserved, gano'n eh.
Is that an excuse to kill him, President?
Huh?
I mean, just because a journalist is corrupt or whatever, is that an
Well,
excuse?
that is the reason. You are asking why? That is the reason. Na sinabi mo hindi dapat, you have to debate with the killer, not me, because of course I know who killed him. Kasi binastos niya yung tao eh. Alam nila itong, alin nyo nasaan? Nandito yan kanina. Alam ni alin nyo yan kung sino. Alin nyo si Tina Honsay because they were there when umiyak yung tao. Basta yung isa. Tapos may isa pa. Ding. All ABS-CBN. Nandoon yun sila nung umiyak yung tao kasi binastos.
Sino ang binastos?
Huwag ka na. Huwag mo nang salihin yan.
Mayor, there are recent
Kasi
attacks.
tatanong kayo kung bakit pinapatay. You seem to appear na, do not make it appear na itong they are clean. Most of you are clean. But do not ever expect that itong mga journalists are all clean. Kaya namamatay. Sinasabi ko, karamihan yan, nabayaran na. They take sides. O sobrahan nila ang atake. Getting into a personal, hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag... Kami mga politiko, okay yan. Praktisado kami. Pero may mga tao, you go private, tapos siyain mo, yung anak, babuhin mo, papatayin ka talaga. Ganon, hiningi mo eh. Ganon yan. It's not because you're a journalist na ikaw, you're exempted from assassination.
But sir, it has a very...
Ang premise mo kasi, journalist siya, bakit patayin siya? It's all wrong.
But sir, it has a bearing to the freedom of expression.
That's not something you'll violate. Yung freedom of expression cannot help you if you have done something wrong to the guy. Huwag bago yung freedom of, do not believe so much you swallow it hook, line, and sinker. Alam mo marami dyan na binabayaran pati writers. Alam mo yan. Alam mo kung sinong mga writers dito nagpoprotekta sa Davao dyan sa Diwalwal. You know who they are. Ikaw, alam mo man, bakit hindi mo expose? Just because you are a journalist, you are not exempted from assassination. If you are a son of a bitch, sakatan mo ang tao. Ako, paano ako? Ako praktisado. Hanap ka ng sundalo. Sabihin mo, ang asawa mo, kaliwitin na gano'n. Diba, patay ka. Subukan mo. Hindi na madala ng free speech yan. The Constitution can no longer help you pag binaboy mo ang isang tao. Kaya sabi ko, di klase ko si Pala. Nandoon yan sila, marami, tago-tago ba?
Besides, Mr. President, the freedom of the press is not absolute.
Yes.
June Pala was a good friend of mine because
Yes.
during the time he was with DXOW, I was with SBN, DXSS Channel 7. I already told him that he has exceeded his being a I'm not trying to defend you, Mr. President,
Yeah.
because we are very happy
Well, totoo
that no
talaga.
less than the son of Davao is the President of the Philippines. So let us not consider the incident of June Pala to be a matter that should disturb the thinking of the President.
Wala yun, because I know. Sabi ko, I could point to you the people who were there that night when the guy cried because, he took the name of the father in vain. Binaboy niya, sabi ko, patayin ko sa'yo, kalimutan mo na. Ganon talaga yung tao niya. Kaya ako nga, sabi ko, araw-araw.